Hello guys, in this video I am telling you how you can use BizOps app for your business, how you can add your party customer item product in BizOps app, and how you can create your bills and invoices. Before moving forward, subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this and for more BizOps app updates. So let's start. Here we have already logged in the app. After login, this screen will appear to you. Here you can see add your first sale invoice. By clicking on first sale invoice button, you can create your first sale invoice. Below you can see by default action tab is selected and above favorites tab is selected. Now from here click on the masters tab. From here you can create laser, item, categories, etc. After that click on the transactions from above. Here you can see all transaction form. From here you can create any transactions. After that, for watching reports, click on the reports from below. By default, here dashboard screen appears to you. Here you can see your all business related details like profit and loss, sale outstanding, to receive, to pay, all business details you can view here. Now click on the report list from above to see reports. Here you can see your all reports. Like you can see your trial balance, profit and loss and balance sheet. GST reports are also available here. GSTR1, GSTR2, GSTR3B. After that, activity tab is given below. Click on the activity tab. Here you can see your business activities. Like here you can see your all transactions which you have created in app. In parties tab, you can see your all created parties. In items tab, you can see your all created items. In order tab, you can see your all created orders, sale orders. Now your last tab is more tab. Click on the more tab from below. From here, you can edit your business profile. By clicking on the view business details, also you can update your settings as well by clicking on the settings. Again, click on the action tab from below. Here I will show you how you can add items. Click on the plus icon in front of the items for adding item. You can also add item through master tab. Click on the plus icon in front of the items for adding item. Here you have two options, goods and services. By default, goods option is selected. If you want to add or create service, then select service from here. For now, I am adding goods here, so I am selecting goods. Add item name here. For now, I am adding for example only. You can add accordingly. Next one is item code. Add item code if you want to add. For now, I am adding for example only. Next one is GST. Select GST from here. Next option is HSN code. Add HSN code here. The next option is unit. By default, pieces unit is selected. If you want to change, then you can change by clicking on the drop down icon. Here, few units are already created. If you want to create new unit, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. For now, I am clicking on the close from below. Next option is sale price. Add sale price here for item. I have added sale price here. Next option is wholesale price. Add wholesale price here for item. The next option is opening. For adding opening, click on the drop down icon. Here you can add opening. Add rate here. After that, add quantity here. For example, I am adding 15 quantity here. Now for saving the details, click on the done from here. See, opening is added here. You can see. Next one is other details. Here you can add your item details like category, description, brand, company. For now, I am not adding other detail. If you want, you can add. Now click on the save button to save the item. Your item is saved now. I will show you. Click on the items. See, here your item is appear in your item list. After that, I am telling you how you can create purchase invoice. If you purchase item, then how you can do entry for that. Click on the transactions from above. From here, click on the plus icon in front of the purchase invoice. your purchase invoice form will open here. Here above, your purchase invoice number is appear, PB001. If you want to change this, you can by clicking on the purchase invoice number. On the right side, you can see date. By default, today's date is selected. But if you want to change the date, then you can change by clicking on the calendar icon. Next option is supplier. For selecting supplier, click on the drop down icon. Here by default, I have already created supplier, that's why it's showing here. But if you want to create new supplier, then you can create by clicking on the above plus icon. Now, I am selecting supplier from here. Next one is bill number, add bill number here. Next one is bill date. By clicking on the calendar icon, you can select bill date. And the next option is text. Below you have three options, none, exclusive or inclusive. By default here, none is selected. If you want to select exclusive or inclusive, then you can select from here. After selecting exclusive or inclusive option from here, below one more option will be available, which is RCM applicable. You can enable RCM applicable by clicking on the checkbox on left next to RCM applicable. And if you don't want, then keep unselected this option. Next one is item. For adding item, click on the plus item button in front of the item. Here you can see your items. Select item from here. Add rate here. Add quantity here. Now, rest details you can fill accordingly. For now, I am adding details for example only. I have added details here. Now, click on the done button to save your item details. Here you can see your item details. Now here, fill rest details accordingly like plus charges, plus discount. If you want to apply charges or give discount on your invoice. For now, I am not adding anything. Below you can see payment option. By default here, on credit is selected. If you want to change your payment option, then you can change by clicking on the drop down icon. Here you can see the options like cash, bank, credit card, Paytm, PhonePe. From here, you change your payment mode accordingly. For now, I am not changing. Now I am clicking on the save button to save this purchase invoice. Your purchase invoice is saved here. All details are mentioned. Below you can see in blue highlight, want to customize the purchase bill print. If you want to customize this print template, then you can customize by clicking on the above setting icon. Steps is mentioned here. I will show you as well. Click on the setting icon from above. From here, you can customize your template. You can customize any template like your sale invoice, purchase invoice template, etc. Once you customize your template will be permanently customized like that. You can change it again if you want. You can change template by clicking on the template 1, template 2, template 3, etc. And if you want to apply grid lines on your template, then enable grid option by clicking on the enable disable icon from above top right. And if you don't want, then disable this option from above. Now from below, you can change your template color as well. For now, I am selecting blue color. Below you can see the enable disable icons. You can use these icons to customize your template. Keep enabled those options which you want to show in print template and disable those options which you don't want to show in print template. For example, I don't want ship from option in my print template, so I am going to disable this option. See, this option is hide from here. For now, I am enabling this option. After that, click on the save button to save your changes. For now, I am not doing any change, so I am clicking on the back button to go out. Now, from the below options, if you want to send this on WhatsApp, then click on the send button from below. If you want to share this, then click on the share button. If you want to take print out of this, then click on the print. If you want to download this, then click on the download. If you want to create a new purchase invoice, then click on the plus new button. Now I am clicking on the back button to go out. Click on the purchase invoice from here. Here you can see your all purchase invoices. For now, I have created one, that's why one is showing here. Click on the back button to go out. Now I am going to tell you how you can create sale invoice. For creating sale invoice, click on the plus icon in front of the sale invoice. Here above your sale invoice number appear, invoice number 001, INV 001. If you want to change this, you can by clicking on the sale invoice number. Click on the sale invoice number. From here, you can change invoice number. Or if you want to change prefix, then you can change by clicking on the change prefix button. For now, I am not doing so, I am clicking on the cross. The next option is customer. For selecting customer, click on the drop down icon. Here by default, I have already created customer, that's why it's showing here. But if you want to create new customer, then you can create by clicking on the plus icon from here. For now, I am selecting customer from here. Next one is state place of supply. By default, it's already selected. But if you want to change, then you can change by clicking on the drop down icon. Next one is item. For adding items, click on the plus item button in front of the items. Select item from here. I am selecting Dove soap from here. Now from here, add quantity here. Item is already selected, rate is already added. Add quantity. Fill your rest details accordingly. I am filling all details here for example only. I have added all details. Now click on the done button from below to save item details. Here you can see your item details. Now here, fill rest details accordingly. For now, I am not adding. I have already created a detailed video for how you can create sale invoice. You can watch that video by clicking on the above I button. Now click on the save button below to save your sale invoice. See, your sale invoice is saved here. All details are mentioned. Below you can see in blue highlight want to customize the sale bill print. If you want to customize this print template, then you can customize by clicking on the above setting icon. Steps is mentioned. I will show you as well. Click on the setting icon from above. From here you can customize your template. You can change template by clicking on the template 1, template 2, template 3, etc. From below you can change your template color. Below you can see enable disable icons. You can use these icons to customize your template. Keep enable those options which you want to show in print template and disable those options which you don't want to show in your print template. If you want to add something, like if you want to add something in terms and condition, then click on the edit terms. Add details here and click on the done button to save your details. For now, I am not doing any changes. That's why I am clicking on the back button to go out. After that, I am going to tell you how you can do payment entry, like if you give payment to your supplier or receive any payment from your party, then how you can do entry for that. You can do entry for that by payment in and payment out option. We use payment in option when we receive payment from our party. To maintain payment record, click on the plus icon in front of the payment in. Payment in receipt form is open. Here above your receipt number appear RCT001. If you want to change this, you can change by clicking on the receipt number. On the right side you can see date. By default today's date is selected, but if you want to change, then you can change by clicking on the calendar icon. Here above you can see set auto data backup option. This option appears for doing setup drive. By clicking on the setup now, you can set your drive through which you don't have to worry for loss your data. I will show you this as well, that how you can set up your drive. For now, let's create your receipt voucher. For selecting party, click on the drop down icon, select party from here. Next option is amount. Add amount here, how much amount you receive from your customer. Next option is payment mode. By default, cash is selected. If you want to change payment mode, then click on the payment mode. Now, you can select payment mode from here. Bank account, credit card, Paytm, Phone Pay, or if your party pay half payment in cash and half payment online, then you can do that entry also by using split option. For this entry, enable split option from above. Add 250 in cash or rest payment we receive from Phone Pay, then select Phone Pay option. Rest payment automatically added here. Now click on the done button. Here you can see cash account 250, Phone Pay 250. Next one is notes. If you want to add any note here, then you can add by clicking on the notes. For now I am not adding. Now click on the save button to save this. Here your receipt is saved. By following the same process, you can do entry of payment out. We use payment out when we pay payment to our suppliers to maintain payment record. Now I am telling you how you can set up your drive. By set up your drive, your data will be safe and secure. So let's start. Click on the favorites from above. From here, for setup drive, click on the set auto data backup. Here, click on the sign in button. Here you can see your all email ID which is login in your mobile. You can select that mail ID in which you want to restore your data. For now, I am selecting Ram Kumar from here. See, backup drive setup complete. Now your drive is set up. Now your data will be safe and secure. You don't have to worry about your data. Now I am clicking on the back button to go out. Thank you for watching this video. Hope the information given in this video is helpful for you. Let us know in the comment section how you like this video. Subscribe to our channel to keep update. After subscribe to our channel, you will get quick notification for all new updates for BizOps app. Thank you.